Hello, and welcome to this AssetIT tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to manage field sets and custom fields in AssetIT. Just a heads up, a field set is a group of custom fields, and they will be assigned at the asset model level. Wondering how they can level up your asset management game? They let you customize data collection and reporting to perfectly match your unique needs. Here is how to do it. First, navigate to the Settings menu and select Custom Fields. Here, you'll find a list of all your field sets. You can create new ones, search for specific field sets, export them, or edit and delete existing ones. To create new field set, click on New Field Set to go to the Creation screen. Input your field set name, then select your desired custom fields by dragging and dropping. You can also mark specific fields as required. Finally, click Save, and that's all. Now let's move on to Custom Fields. At the Custom Fields settings screen, scroll down to Custom Fields. Here you'll find a list of all your custom fields. You are also able to create new, search, export, edit, and delete existing ones. Let's create a new custom field together. Select a custom type. You have options like text box, list box, text area, checkbox, and radio buttons. Click Next. Don't forget to complete all the required fields and hit Default. You can also choose your preferred resources to automatically apply when creating a fresh asset. Click Done to finish. Let's see if our brand new custom field is in place when we create a license, just like we set it up earlier. Speaking of default, you can still set your favorite fields as default in Asset Model setting. While creating a new asset model, choose your desired field set, then tick Add Default Values. And there you have it. In case you're already in the process of creating new asset but forget to set the custom fields, just simply click Add Custom Fields and choose your favorite from the list. So basically, you've got not one, not two, but three alternatives to approach this: via custom field setting, via asset model, and direct approach via asset creation process. That's everything. Thank you for watching, and happy asset management with AssetIT.